in my opinion, is that I incline to the point of view of language to Michael Halliday, of the language of being taught growing up, and language development is significant and it enables individuals to communicate with others and comprehend what others are attempting to say to them. There are various ideas about language development, and Michael Halliday and Noam Chomsky are two of the most prominent. The two theories have enormously different perspective of how a child learns to communicate. Halliday's theory is the systemic functional linguistics, and Chomsky theory is the innate language theory. I am more favorable on the theory of Michael Halliday because in his model of language development, it provides an explanation. Language is learned from social interaction where a child can witness, observe, and participate, and this with the individuals around them. A child slowly develops the components of communication such as taking turns, eye contact, as well as active response through sounds and actions, which allow them to master those skills and then move on to developing adult language. On the other hand, Chomsky describes his theory as language unfolding through natural cognitive ability, that instead of the idea of learning language from social interactions and other people, language is something already in the mind that is unlocked of a child. This means it is innate ability. It is called as language acquisition. And I incline to the theory of Michael Halliday that, in my opinion, that um, a child can learn language through social interaction, and when the child can witness it and by observing it, and the child can understand and develop of how does language work. I also I in some side I also believed in the theory of Chomsky that it is really innate to us as human being. It is it is one of it is really one of our abilities um, to comprehend language, but it just that Michael Halliday have some point that how can a child understand the language or um, execute the language without the other people's help or without observing other people of how they use language.